This small creator almost made a big mistake, but it pays off in the end.
Okay, half of me is being boiled alive, half of me is freezing to death, and there's just a little bit of sweet spot. Okay. Oh, I think I've got the temperature dialed in pretty good. That hot water pipe is just a touch too hot, so I got a little bit of that warm waterfall coming in, mixing with it. Just perfect. Between the hiking and the canoeing, I'm a little bit sore. This is nice. Oh. Well, I missed lunch and I'm a bit hungry, so I think I'm gonna have a hot spring snack.